In this lecture, you will learn how to send a Slack notification from Jenkins. Slack is a modern communication tool, which allows software developers to collaborate. Create your own Slack workspace for free at slack.com. It functions just like any instant messaging tool. Click on the plus next to Channels to create a new channel for your Jenkins notifications. To integrate Slack with Jenkins, you need to add the Jenkins CI app to Slack. Click on Administration, Manage Apps. Search for Jenkins, and install the app. Select the channel that you just created. Follow the instructions to configure your Jenkins master. In Jenkins, add the Slack app URL, and an integration token credential. Click Test Connection to make sure that it is working. Now you can configure a pipeline to send the Slack notifications. Use the Slack Send step to send a notification. In our example, we include the job name and number. Running the pipeline will cause a notification to appear in the Slack channel. Thanks for listening.